Confused about HACCP validation and verification? This time we will focus on HACCP validation examples, sources of information, and a hands-on guide to conducting validation processes. We have scientific research papers, a goldmine HACCP validation examples. They are laden with data-driven insights and are a valuable source of validation. Next, regulatory guidelines from recognized food safety authorities should be your go-to for official recommendations on validation methods. Let's not forget about industry consultations and expert advice. These are available through forums, seminars, and food safety communities. The actual process of conducting validations solidifies your HACCP plan's effectiveness. Validation involves a multi-step process from identifying and testing your preventive measures to analyzing results and fine-tuning from feedback. It's about substantiating that your methods are scientifically and technically sound, ensuring that hazards are effectively controlled. True, validation can seem daunting at first glance. But here's the good news: you don't have to navigate these waters alone. SFPM Consulting provides robust HACCP training courses that simplify the process, making it understandable and actionable. Becoming a support client of SFPM Consulting grants you access to our comprehensive live Zoom HACCP training course at a favorable price of as little as $397 Canadian dollars. Don't worry if you are not. We have affordable pricing for all so that you can learn and gain competency in your food safety program. So don't hesitate. Join us and empower yourself with the tools and insights to conquer the world of food safety.